Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Signal Desktop on Windows 11, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Signal Desktop on Windows 11, start by opening your web browser. Type Signal Desktop into the search bar and press enter. Look for the official Signal website link. Click on the link to be directed to the Signal Downloads page. On the Downloads page, locate the section for Windows. You should see a button labeled Download for Windows. Click the Download for Windows button. The download will begin automatically. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the Signal installation file, which is usually named Signal XXXEXE. Double-click the installation file to start. A security prompt may appear asking for permission to run the file. If prompted, click Yes to proceed. The setup wizard will open, guiding you through the installation. Click Next to continue. Review the license agreement and click I agree to accept the terms. Choose your installation location or use the default and click Next. Select any additional tasks or shortcuts you want to create. Click Install to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, click Finish to exit the setup wizard. You can now find Signal Desktop in your Start menu. Click on the Signal icon to launch the application. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up Signal on your desktop. You will need to link it to your existing Signal mobile app for full functionality. To do this, open Signal on your mobile device. Tap the menu icon and select Link Devices. Now, use your mobile device to scan the QR code displayed on your desktop. Once linked, you can start using Signal Desktop to send and receive messages. Enjoy secure communication with your friends and family on Signal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.